Hello and welcome to what I think is going to be a very short video on how to enable the Excel Data Analysis Tool Pack. This tool pack basically adds in some statistical tools that you will find useful during the module. So first task is to open Excel. You can do that in a number of ways depending on your PC. I use Excel so often I have it pinned to my taskbar down at the bottom. You can type in Excel in the search bar and there it is, or you can click on the Windows icon and scroll down to E where you will find it. I mean, you can see how often I use it because it's actually on my most used programs. Anyway, I'm going to click on the toolbar to start it. When it comes up, I'm just going to open a blank workbook. And so all you do is you click on the File tab over on the left, and then you scroll down to Options right down at the very bottom and click on that. You will see this dialog box pop up, and what you want is the add-ins option, second from bottom. Click on that and you will see down here Manage Excel Add-ons. Okay, if you click on that, it brings up another dialog box with this list, which has got Analysis Toolpack and Analysis Toolpack VBA. I use the Analysis Toolpack VBA as well as the Toolpack, so I'm going to tick both of those boxes, but you actually only need to tick the top one. Click on OK, and Excel does its stuff, and then you can check that it's actually there just by clicking on the Data tab, and then over on the bottom, over on the far right, you have this data analysis option up on the menu bar. You can click on that, and that brings up the data analysis toolkit. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.